Hey y'all, it's Christine. Alright, so I got this in the mail yesterday. I thought maybe I'd go ahead and get Ipsy for this month because my birthday's this month. Alright, so let's go ahead and tear into the box. I already know what I was going to get, and I got one extra item I was not expecting, which is going to be the first one I pull out, which is the Mirror Environmental Shield Essential Seed Cleanser. And it's, I can use it in the morning and afternoon. Which I believe I think this is the full-size version, and this isn't in the, my selection. So I think this is like a refreshment or beauty boost item. So yeah. Closed. So yeah, I don't know the retail value of this. Okay, so design. What? You start with. Now, where did that box go? Oh, right here. Duh. The next time I'm going to be pulling out is is something that Ipsy selected for me, which is the Congested Skin Serum by Balance Me. And let's see. This is it's supposed to like help with breakouts, and it's a soothing gel designed to help calm inflammation and banish blemishes without the dryness. And what is the retail value? I don't think this is full size, but on here it says it's $26. For this little bitty thing, I think it'd be a bigger bottle if it were $26. Just test. Let me. That's what it looks like. My mind went to the gutter just now. Smells good too, I think. Okay. After cleansing, apply directly to spots or any blemish-prone areas. Can be replayed throughout the day and used over makeup too. Let's see. Leave it open so I can see that I've done it. Filmed it. Let me get this out because this paper gets annoying sometimes, but it's good for packaging. Or keeping the packaging safe, the stuff safe. The next item is going to be from Alley-Oop. And let's see, this is in the shade, I guess, Superstar? Yeah, it's in the shade Superstar. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It's, let's see, this does not And it's not telling me the size at all. But it's this is on the product itself, the bottle does not tell me if it's the 5.5 milliliter, but it looks like it might be. Let's see, and it's $22. It's like it's a concealer, which here. I'm afraid to have it on its side, which is why it's standing straight up. Here's the doe foot applicator. And very conveniently, there's a little sponge part right here. I could just spread it around. Just to see if it actually matches. And it's a little bright. I almost accidentally put it like this. Here's what it looks like after I've done spread it around with this sponge. The total value of everything in my box, excluding the Murad, is $136. So that does actually... Hold on, let me try over here. Something I want to test out. I just used it on the something I had over here, right there where that dot is, on my hand, and I think it covers good. Okay, let's see, now go back. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright, the next time is going to be by Iconic London. And it's their Triple Threat Mascara in shade brown. This is what packaging looks like. And here's the matte brush itself. And this is one of the items I chose. Which this is $28. And here's what it looks like on my hand, even though I knew it's for you guys. I just like want to test it on my hand too. So yeah. I know this is going to be like a kind of a little bit of a quick video. Alright, let's see. And I got another makeup. I got couple more things to go, and they were both my choice. The last two are were my choices. So I'm kind of like testing it out as I go along, so that I can leave like a little bit of a review. All right, the next one is going to be by Ciate London, and it's their highlighter. It's their Cherry Bomb Blush and Highlighter Palette in light medium, and it's the retail value of $28. Here's the packaging, or the box at least. The shades are So Sweet, Cherry Fizz, Happy Hour, and Juicy. Which in the first picture, it shows something completely different than the first picture. Second picture. So yeah, here's what it looks like. And here's the palette. So yeah, that was my brother's jacket. Okay, the first one's going to be there we go. And there's the for shades, which I have on my finger still. So this one's So Sweet, Cherry Fizz, Happy Hour, and Juicy. Which I think not bad for $28. I think this one's the full size. I think this is definitely full size, which is worth the $28. Okay. Alright. And the last thing is another one of my choices. Which I'm gonna scroll down to find it. I believe this one's for hair. And this is the, let's see. Yeah, this one's, this matches the size on there, and it's worth, this is, Soul Food Nourishing Mask by Amika. And it's for the hair. It's a nourishing mask that is packed with vitamins and nutrients that help condition your strands to leave them looking soft, silky, and so smooth. But you can just, I guess it was already opened, or they didn't have a protective lining over it. It smells familiar. So yeah, that's all of what I have got in my box for this month. I might do the iconic box when I get paid again. I don't know yet. I love bubble wrap. So yeah, that's going to be it for my box for this month. Bye, y'all. I'll leave my referral link in the description below, along with my maybe my Discord too. Bye, y'all. Happy holidays.